Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to do a 1-octave harmonic minor scale in the key of G. You can download these worksheets on www.olympiapiano.com and just navigate to the tutorials and downloads page and you'll find the free downloads of these PDFs. The prerequisite for this tutorial would be that you know what a natural minor scale in the key of G is. In the key of G, and we are going to write down our natural minor. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. So we've got do is G, re, a, mi, black key, B, fa is C, so is D, le is E flat, te is F, and do is G, natural minor. There are several different types of minor scales, and the harmonic and natural are probably the most often used. So there's just one difference between the harmonic and natural minor, and that difference is we are going to switch this te and we're going to move it back up to T. So you can just write this in. So do's the same, re's the same, mi's the same, fa's the same, so's the same, le's the same. Now te, we're going to move back up to T. That has to do with harmonies in minor keys, which we'll go into in a future video. So now we have this big gap between le and T. It makes it sound kind of exotic. So when we write the letter names, keep in mind we have to have one different letter per box. We have G, we have A, we have B flat, move down a half step. Fa is C, so is D. Le is E flat. Now we have to have a new letter for T, so that is going to be F. Now it's back up to F sharp. And then do is G. So harmonic minor scale, the only change is we're raising the 7th from te to T. Then the final step for the worksheet is we're going to draw those notes in. The second line from the bottom and the treble staff is G. We're going to alternate line space. A is on a space. B flat is on a line. When I draw the flat symbol, I'm going to make the line go through the middle of it. C is a space. D is a line. Then we have E flat. It's going to be a space. Flat's going to go in between the two lines, so it'll be on the space. And then we have F sharp. So the sharp, the line goes in the middle of the sharp, and then G. It's a little strange to see a flat then a sharp, but it has to do with the spelling. We have to keep alternating lines and spaces all the way up, and alternate letters all the way up. So bass clef, the bottom line in the bass clef is low G. That's where we're going to draw. Line, space, line, E, B flat, space, C, line, D, space, E flat, line, put the sharp first, and space, G. Thanks for watching this video, and congratulations, you now know G harmonic minor.